Are you a die-hard sports fan looking for a convenient way to track your favorite sports leagues and teams? Apple's Sports app has a minimalist interface to show real-time scores, stats, and betting odds. Here's all you need to know about using Apple Sports. What can you do with the Apple Sports app? Apple introduced the Apple Sports app on February 21st, 2024, to help iPhone users easily keep up with the scores and stats of their favorite leagues and teams. You can follow your favorite teams and leagues, check scores and team stats in real time, and view live betting odds, injury reports, lineup details, and their schedules. The app displays real-time scores and stats for a few of the top sports leagues in the world, including MLS, NBA, NHL, League One, La Liga, Bundesliga, and more. While Apple Sports only supports limited leagues for now, Apple's announcement revealed that it plans to add more leagues, like MLB, NFL, and WNBA, for their upcoming seasons. As of February 2024, the Apple Sports app is only available in 3 regions: the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Getting started with the Apple Sports app on an iPhone. To download the Apple Sports app, your iPhone must be running iOS 17.2 or later. If not, you can update your iPhone by heading to Settings, General, Software Update. Once you're all set, you can download it from the App Store. Download Apple Sports free. Launch the app after installation and tap Continue when you see the welcome page. To begin seeing real-time scores and stats, you'll need to choose your desired leagues and teams. Tap Get Started and tap the favorite button next to the league you want to follow. To follow a team, choose a league and tap the favorite star icon next to the one you want to follow. Tap Done once you're happy with the selection. If you'd like to follow a league or team later on, all you need to do is tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, tap Manage, and repeat the steps above. To view live and upcoming games and final stats and scores for all your teams in one place, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap My Teams. Similarly, you can view the same information for your favorite leagues by tapping My Leagues instead. If you'd like to find information about a specific league that's not in your favorites, choose one from the list in the same menu.